So today we're going to be doing some maintenance checks on the Sol 200 Vango tent. You're going to look for any tears in the material, both inside and out, because obviously tears in the material can lead to you getting cold, wet, bugs getting in, and I can't open the zip, there we go. You want to check all inside, make sure there's no tears and rips, and you want to ensure that they don't continue to tear and rip if there are any problems. Inside there are no tears in the ground sheet, so you won't get wet. If you come around this side, however, the problem with this tent is that one of the poles are broken. This can be fixed quite easily and it won't affect the tent too much, but you'll want to fix that sooner rather than later. I ran out of tent pegs, unfortunately. However, you need to ensure that all your guy ropes are out as well, so that really helps hold the tent in place and you won't blow away. So with the broken pole that we established earlier, all we're going to do is going to take a reel of duct tape and we're going to wrap it all the way around, keeping it thin enough that it still fits into the end, but thick enough so that it holds it nice and secure again.